To reach more referrals, you need to have a well-planned and strategic approach. Here are some tips that can help you reach more referrals. 1. Develop a referral program. Create a referral program that incentivizes your existing customers to refer their friends and family to your services. This can be in the form of discounts, free services, or other rewards. 2. Offer quality services. Providing quality services to your customers is key to gaining their trust and loyalty. Happy customers are more likely to refer their friends and family to your business. 3. Build a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence through social media, websites, and review sites can help you reach more potential customers. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews and share their positive experiences on social media. 4. Network and collaborate. Networking with other businesses and collaborating with them can help you reach a wider audience. Consider partnering with complementary businesses to offer bundled services or cross-promote each other. 5. Attend events. Attend relevant events and conferences in your industry to meet potential customers and build relationships with other professionals. 6. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing can be an effective way to reach out to existing customers and encourage them to refer their friends and family. Consider offering exclusive discounts or other incentives to customers who refer others to your business. By implementing these strategies, you can increase the likelihood of gaining more referrals and growing your business.